This chapter is about the basic syntax of the C++ language. The idea is to have you dive into the language with some real code right away. By necessity, this means we will use language features that will be explained later, either in this chapter or in later chapters. Don't let this get in your way. Go ahead and dive in and follow the exercises. If something isn't immediately obvious to you, that's okay. Just keep going, or you may stop and experiment with what you don't understand. The basic syntax of C++ is very simple. A statement is a unit of code terminated by a semicolon. Statements are used for a variety of purposes: to call functions, declare and initialize variables, or to operate on expressions. A function is a larger unit of code that may contain many statements or expressions. A function is designed to be reused or to be called by another statement. The main function is the main entry point of any C++ program. Main is called by the operating system when your program first launches. A variable holds values for later use in other statements and expressions. In C++, variables must be declared before they're used. The variable may then be used to provide its value to statements and expressions later in your code. In the rest of this chapter, we'll go through the basic syntax of C++ in a lot more detail. You'll learn how to construct a syntactically correct program, how to define variables, use pointers and references, and how to use conditional expressions and loops. Take your time, experiment with the exercise files, and be sure to go through the whole chapter. Understanding these fundamental concepts will help you get the most out of the rest of this course.